like a Hellcat.
Hello and welcome to another episode of CustomAddics PC Budget Build Edition. I know this channel is all about vehicle upgrades, but I know that some of you, if not all of you, have a love and admiration for tech just like we do here. So if you're one of those people, please stick around and enjoy the delightful and painstaking task of PC building. Okay, let's get right into it. Over here, as you can see, we have a Gigabyte Z170 for the motherboard. To the right of that is a power supply, an EVGA 650 bronze, semi-modular of course. For the graphics card, I went with an Asus GeForce 750 Ti. Yes, I know you guys are probably saying, oh, why didn't you go with a bigger graphics card, this and that. Well, I didn't feel the need, nor do I need a bigger graphics card for this particular setup. Moving on, we have the Corsair Vengence LPX DDR4 with the 4GB adding up to 8, as you can see there. Over here we have a very small Adata 240GB solid state drive. I also went for a very small but faster SSD, and I'll tell you why. Since this is a budget build, this SSD is primarily for the Windows operating system and for some important software. An additional hard drive or even an external drive will be added for extra storage in the near future. And of course, the star of the show, a 7th gen Core i5 7400 LGA 1151, in which we ran into some issues, but I'll get to that later.
So this is the unboxing of the Commander G41. It comes surrounded with plastic and styrofoam, encased in styrofoam. We got two USBs on top. We got the mic and the headset, the reset and the power, as you probably already know. And hey, so what can we fit up here? We can fit two 120s, right?
Okay.
Two 120s or two 140s. Yeah. And then we can fit, what about an 80? Can we fit an 80 up here?
Probably.
Two 80s? I don't think we can. I think so. 80, 120, 140. Right here, right? 80, 120, 140. Is that what it's meant for? I'm not sure. Alright, let's get started. What do you think? Plastic removal shroud. Oh, we got double-sided shroud. That double-sided poly. Wow, this is fantastic. All right, let's open this baby up. Z170 HDP3. What do we got here? We got the SATA cables, as usual. We got the motherboard itself. That's right, the motherboard itself. And we got some ROM. Discard that. We don't need that. The driver and the back shrouding. And we got, what is this? What is that? Adapter for the module fans? All right, that's right. That's right. That's right. It's for the front connectors, the front-facing connector. So what does this motherboard support? Supports 4K and it overclocks, but we're not going to be doing any overclocking with this boy because this does not overclock. Why did I get a motherboard that overclocks? Tell you why. One day, I might just upgrade the processor to who knows, a Core i7. Okay, you know, you never know. That's why. All right, let's get to it. Remove the spacesuit.
Okay, so over here I'll go over the features and specs of the motherboard. Here we got the processor socket. To the right we got the 4 RAM sockets, the video or graphics card sockets right here, one on top and one more on the bottom, just below the BIOS there, and 2 additional sockets for any other card you wish to add, such as Wi-Fi for example, and all other respective sockets at the very bottom. Pretty straightforward.
So we got the processor in, 8 gigs of RAM going in. RAM number 1 and is clicked in. Right, RAM number 2. clicked in, locked and loaded. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty excited for this. We get to install the back faceplate. The faceplate for the back of the box to connect to the motherboard. Well, make sure you put it in properly. You gotta read the instructions on here. Okay, so where are we at? Besides the Timmy's, we got the power supply going on here. We're gonna put in this guy in. We got all supporting hardware. We got, oh yeah, rip it off. We don't need that. Yeah, don't put it on my muffin. Yeah, take that off my muffin. Okay. Great. Now I got plastic on my muffin. Semi-module, yeah. Mm-hmm. Great. Oh, it fits in there perfect. It like a glove. Check that out. Like a glove. You know what? I really like this finish that they put on here. It's almost like a Line-X type deal, eh? Like a really rugged finish. Do you know what we need for these? For these tiny little screws, we need a magnetic screwdriver, Steve. We gotta go pick up a magnetic screwdriver. Let's go see. Okay, do we have a magnetic screwdriver in this mess? Here, might be this one. It's so dark in here. Magnetic. It's magnetic. Got a magnetic. Wow, this lighting is really bad. What the heck? Hey, can you see the lighting from over here maybe? Let's get a shot from over here. Like this. Get a shot from there. Alright, we're gonna put the motherboard in. Line it all up there. Line her up the holes. Yeah. How many holes you got? 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 2 leftovers. We're just gonna leave those in there. Get your arm out of the way. There's one there and one there. We're gonna leave those 2 in there. They're not in the way, and I don't want to take them out just to lose them. So we're gonna just go ahead and leave those in and continue our process. They just stick. I love it. It'll just stick on there it's amazing. The miracle of science. It's the miracle of science, Steve. Let's try. What are you doing? What are you looking for? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install the SSD first, so we can get rid of all these extra bolts that are just sitting there. So we like to go in a star pattern when we bolt down anything. Wow, look at that. It's got some weight to it too. Got some weight. You got the 2 fans, right? This has got some weight. You got all the pins, bottom. Nice Asus logo here. So we can see that, yeah. We got the power supply. Tell me that's the power supply? Yep. Yeah, that is the power supply. And that is that. That's going in this beast right here. That's going in that beast right there. We're gonna have some crazy 4K graphics. You know what, guys? I have never put a graphics card in before. The top one. Remove these 2, and we're good to go. Okay. So we need to reuse.
Use, reuse, recycle.
That's right. That's right. We need to reuse it. Yeah. All right. You guys ready for this? Upside down. I feel like I'm applying too much pressure. Oh no. Here we go. Oh, okay, we got it. Daycare talk, but we're gonna screw this in here. All right.
Temporary.
All right, we got him in. And torque that. Torque this. And the backside's in good, yeah. The backside's in good. Yeah. Catch me outside. Okay, so we're gonna connect. We're gonna go ahead and connect the front-facing fan, and then we're gonna connect the rear one, the factory. You know what? Maybe we can change this up. You know what? I'm just thinking about this now. We can change this fan because we got a JetFlow 120, right? I think that's a little bit superior to what's in there. What do you think? And then what we're thinking about doing for the processor cooling method, we have this that came with the processor, right? We might not end up using this because I have this one. This one that needs a little bit of cleaning, but we got to flip these fans around because this is right now it's pulling, and I want this to be pushing. We got to flip these fans around, give this a little blow down, get some of this dust out of here, and we're probably gonna go with this system. As opposed to using the one that came with the processor. We're gonna think about it because we don't have any thermal paste here. I might just go pick some up, and then we can go ahead with this setup. So this is changed now. We removed this fan from the back of the box, and this fan is now gonna be rerouted to the bottom of the box here, right? So because I want positive pressure in here, so this fan's going to be blowing in. We got the front facing fan also blowing in, right? We got this jet flow, Cool Master jet flow blowing out, and we have these two blowing out as well. So we got, you know what, we're not even gonna have positive pressure in here like this because we got two in and we got 3 out. Unless we put that guy like on a low speed setting. Maybe we should put that guy a low speed setting because we got 2 speed settings here. We're gonna go with that fan with this JetFlow 120 on the bottom of the box to blow as much air as we can into the box, and then we're gonna have we're actually gonna put this one back. We're gonna put this one back to blow it out and to exhaust all the air, and we're still gonna go with this setup over there. Okay, so we're gonna proceed to remove these badly installed screws because we don't have something thin enough to go in this hole, so we're gonna have to do a hack job and remove those screws because I believe the right ones were supposedly these ones. Now we gotta rig something up to blow this up and move these fans around. In the meantime, where's my cat? Okay, so we completely just ruined you guys are gonna hate me for this, but we completely just ruined the warranty on this case because the radiator did not fit. So this radiator does not fit for this box, so we had to bend this and find a way to get it in there because we were so committed in getting this radiator in there with the double fan that we don't even care if this is a little bit bent out of the way because we're not even going to use these ports. And if we ever happen to want to use one of these ports, we'll just use the last one, which is still intact. Okay, so after all this butchering and all this bull that we went through, we decided not to go with the radiator because it doesn't fit and it's not the right size, and nothing really works out with this box for that particular radiator, so we scrapped that idea. We just went with the factory fan cooling device. We're just wrapping up some snap ties here, some cable management. We got everything hooked up so far. Everything's hooked up here. We got the data, the SATA, the fans, everything's hooked up here. And I think we're ready for this. We ain't got no room here. What if we, hold on, I want to see the colors here. What if we go, there's a plug back there that we can't use. So we could use an extension. Ready? On 3. 3, 2, 1. working. Yep. The fans are rolling, except for one. Oh, what happened here, Steve? What the fuck? Unhook it? Yeah, unhook it here. What happened?
You have to desligar the fish.
Ok, peraí. Okay, attempt number 2. Dos. Ready? Wait, I gotta switch the power on here first. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Alright. All fans spinning. That's good. That means we got a good connection to all 4 fans. Yes? That's spinning for sure, yeah? Okay, we got good circulation of air. I can feel that. You know what? That's not even loud. Let's see that box. Let's see that fan box. Yeah. You know what? That's not even that loud, to be honest. At 2,000 RPM, which is the fastest speed for this fan, and how many CFM? 45 decibels. 45 decibels. Oh, high flow, 95 CFM. 95 CFM.
It's okay.
That's not the greatest, but you know what? That's better than nothing. You know what? If that's the only fan that is making a little bit more noise than the others, because I can't really hear the others. I can only hear this one more prominently than the others, but it's not that bad. You know, it's not that bad at all. And I don't care that much for noise anyway, so. Okay. I'm trying to give you guys a better shot here. The fans. So that's that JetFloor 120 fan right there. This zoomed in. Well, I don't like the zoom. Sorry. Okay, so that's the fan. That's the Cooler Master. JetFloor 120 in circulation, and we went with the original factory stock processor cooling fan. Steve, we might just have a signal. To the monitor that the computer's alive. Okay, so after we set this all up and troubleshooting for 5 hours, I feel like this camera's so close to me. After troubleshooting for 5 hours, we found out that the processor is a 7th generation processor, and it is not capable with the 6th generation motherboard, sort of say. So we took it in, thanks to the guys at Memory Express, and they did a free BIOS upgrade. So we got that out of the way, and now we're back on track, and we got something to work with. So we're gonna go ahead and finish all the stuff we got going on here. Put this together, hook it all up, back up, get the drivers installed. We still gotta download the drivers, download all that jazz, and we'll get this up and running hopefully tonight. I'm hoping. Here with my swivel chair with wheels. I got a chair with wheels because wheels.
Alright, so I wanted to show you guys this quick demo that we did in fact successfully upgrade the BIOS A big thanks to the guys at Memory Express to help us out in such short notice. As well, we did also successfully install Windows and some basic software here. As you can see here, we got the driver for the graphics card. I'm using PairBlock, which is an IP address blocker. Open Hardware, which is pretty cool, pretty basic as well. Some software to keep track of your temperature of your core, and some temperature fan speeds here, some core percentage. This is the memory load. We got some the clock, the memory temperatures, GPU core, and GP fan speed. Pretty basic software, but it's always nice to have. Moving on, I got the Malwarebytes. A buddy of mine recommended me to get this Bitdefender antivirus. I know Windows already comes with the Windows Defender, but I wanted some extra protection. So just in case, we stick around with this. The OSB, the Camtasia, which are two recording software you probably are familiar with. VLC Media Player, substitute for the Windows Media Player. The Audacity, which is what I'm using to record these voiceovers, and I don't think there's anything else that I wanted to show you guys. So that's about it. Okay, so that is it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments below your thoughts of this build. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thumbs down if you would have done something differently. Your thoughts always count. And don't forget to support this channel by subscribing for more cool videos. And if someone out there has a cool desk chair, please send it my way. This torn mechanical workbench is really killing my back.
Steve,
Yeah.
you eat your burger without salad?
Yeah.
You fucking pig. Whoa.